Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm drawing with watercolor. I'm drawing a girl watching a starry night from the terrace of the building. At first I'm just applying blue color, Prussian blue color for the sky. Then I'm applying water to spread the color properly. Then I'm coloring the buildings. You can also color it with black color, but I thought it will look good more with the blue color. That's why I'm using blue color. But if you want, you can also use your favorite colors. You can also use black color. It will look good. Here I'm using a watercolor of Camel brand. You can use any kind of brand that you have. You can even use watercolor pencil. Here I have done a mistake that I needed to spread the white color with the toothbrush, but I forgot to do that. That's why it just spilled oil on paper. That's why I am doing with it with the brush for the effect, starry night effect. Stars I'm drawing with this. It's an easy way to draw the stars. You can use this technique too. Now I am coloring the hair. If you do mistakes, then it's okay because you will learn from it. So don't worry about doing mistakes. Now I'm using white color to draw the windows of the buildings. If you want to see more art, you can visit my Instagram for more art. I hope you are watching the whole video to watch how to draw this kind of scenery. Now I'm using a black gel pen to outline my painting. It's almost done. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.